Good afternoon, Ronasi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Ronasi Luces, 38 years old. I have two kids, 14 years old and 5 years old. I came from Kalibo, Aklan. I graduated from the 2 year course Associate in Computer Secretarial. I am a simple, loving, caring, helpful, and patient.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
Because I want to earn money to support my family and to save for myself.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is a good country and very near here in the Philippines.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I qualified for this job because I have a lot of experience as a domestic helper in other countries.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I am a college graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
My recent experience is a sales lady in a small department store here in Philippines.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me and how many years you worked for?
I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years and another 2 years in Macau and also 2 years in Jordan and 1 year in Beijing.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am, I have an experience.
Whose baby you taking care of?
And my first employer in Hong Kong.
Okay. How about elderly people?
I take care of the elderly people in Macau.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
My special skills is just only cooking, gardening.
Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing
I'm
to
willing.
work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
I can cook a simple Chinese food and a Filipino food.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
I like taking care of the newborn baby
Okay.
and washing, cooking.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
I understand 1,200 RM.
Okay. Ringgit. Malaysian ringgit. Okay. What is the tools agency have fixed in Malaysia?
No handphone and no off day.
Okay. How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years contract.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
I'm hardworking, helpful, kind, and patient.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will do all my best to satisfy my employer to my work.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am. I'm physically fit.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Runasi, we have finished our
Yes.
question section. Let's go to case study. I have two case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will still continue my work and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, number two. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Okay, Rodasi, what do you want to tell the employer watching your video right now?
Hello, madam. Can you please choose me as your maid? I promise I will do all my best to make you satisfied for my work. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Ronasi. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.